A very good morning to the 1% Cloud Society. As today we know we are on Friday, hence the best of the best days of the week is on Monday and Friday to obtain the most craziest volume. So first let's take a look at what happened with gold. Okay. As you guys remember last week, this was my buy setup. I buy the whole way, and I invited you guys to buy alongside. As I said, 1828 is the lowest point before the spike. So it spiked from here to here, 400 pips into the weekly zone. It was poking hours and then dropped all the way back down. And then it spiked back up to where? Here. My zone, 1859.92. And it was shy of like 2 pips away. And then dropped how many pips? 200 pips. So what do we do today? In order to be somewhat precise, let's take a look at it on a bigger perspective. So we can definitely first see that gold is in a very evidential sideway from here to here, back down to here, back up to here, back down to here, back up to here, back down to here, back up to here, back down to here, maybe back up to here, or breaks out. So this is the hard part of trading gold in this current prostitute zone, because it has attempted multiple times in this zone. Hence the next big movement will just push it out or below of the zone too easily. But what are the milestones we have to understand? It went from a weekly zone to a weekly sell zone, from a weekly buy to a weekly sell. Weekly sell zone pushes price down. So now this one, do we classify it as a retracement to the sell or the first breakout to the sell? Okay, so this is where we have to observe. As price fell from here all the way down till here, that I would say is the end of the movement, correct? It poked the pink box area, spikes back up, but rejected perfectly at the engulfing sell H4 alongside the engulfing hidden H4, and boom, price drops back down. So for me, gold is in a very highly likely of a sell, but it's gold, we don't know. So where do we wait for today? So as you guys remember this zone, this pink zone is fucking strong, okay? Whether or not we can get another 400 pips here, I don't know. But let's say 60 to 100 pips confirm can get. Because if you want to talk about the big movements, it has to be from this green box or this blue box. Meaning if you want the full margin 300 pips, as long as we are in here, we don't talk about 300 pips. We talk about 40, 60, maximum 100 pips. Unless you are lucky to get the first direction before it breaks up or down. So first zone that we have to wait is here, this pink zone from last week that gave us the fucking insane buy. This dude over here. To buy number 2 is this weekly zone 1820, 1826. This blue box, I think it will arrive later, not too soon. So we just have to focus on these two areas. If you take any signal in this black zone, don't be angry if you hit SL. Because there is no structure in here. The only available structure is 1834, this area. But there is a potential sell that could be strong is this 1861.39. You see this higher region of the box? It's yet to be poked. So if you want to sell over there, buy over here or here. The next sell would be here, the fresh weekly zone. As long now you buy here, it spikes, then drops back, spikes back down. So you can't trade continuation. This will be trading scalping like a bullshit sideway, meaning you buy at support, sell at resistance. The issue of doing that is when the support is no longer valid, boom, you get fucked through the breakout of a prostitute zone. So we have 4 zones for today. Okay? To buy zone, Sell price. This is 1834 and this is 1870. Sell. Okay, this area. So this is the only thing you have for today to trade. If it plays in here, then this is sideways. You know, you can get lucky, you can hit SL, no one knows. But in this pink area, okay, highly likely a strong buy can come here. This green box, potentially. Blue box, potentially. This area, fuck that shit. It's done. Okay?